the last day of the year, and also the last rose of my temperature blanket. It is symbolical. As I cast off, the year does the same. Can't believe I made it this far, as former attempts have failed. It may have been a difficult year, knit or otherwise. Perhaps next year will be without knots and you win at a game of yarn chicken. Who knows what is to come? I believe we are not meant to know. It does not serve us in the end. I wish you a very good and prosperous 2026 and closure for 2025. And so this is it. I'm snipping off. Happy New Year and see you next time.